Alright, so basically we're gonna take that one out first. Okay, so we got like two bolts. No, we got like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. Okay, so always make sure the jack, always make sure you got the jack to hold your engine. The best way to get it out, okay, there you go. So this is the old one. All right, that's the old one. So now we are about to put the brand new one. Okay, now put the brand new one. Ligar satu dari sini. Don't say. Don't. Oke, tadi ada pemain fast. Este fonte jack é muito jack. Yeah. Okay. Vai ganhar ainda pé de braço. Ok. Vai ganhar ainda pé de braço. So yeah guys, as you guys can see, sometimes you have to jack up the engine. Use a jack, put the engine a little bit higher so you can get through it. Then what I did is I mark it. If you want to, you can mark it before you move the first one, so that way you know the everything get online. Alright guys, so basically almost done with it. Okay, and one thing too guys, y'all gonna need a drill, not a small one, but like something with power, because y'all need them big old things too. I think that's the 18. That's an 18. Y'all need the 18. Okay, so we're almost done with that one. Once we're done, we're gonna go to the other one over there. Eu alto top, hein? Shoot jazz out. Você que vai interessar a vídeo lá, não? Jogo. Sabe, ninguém topa isso com ele lá. Alright guys, so now I'm running into a problem. Y'all see how nasty that thing is? The bolts are really rusty. So now I need a special tool to get it out. So now I'm gonna have to buy something because that tool I don't have it. Okay, I'm gonna buy a special tool to get it out and I'm gonna show you guys. Look, thing nasty. Alright guys, so guess how much I just paid for that? Okay, that's the extractor bolt thing. I just paid $39 for this. Okay, $39. So it got only 6 on it. Okay, and then I went on and buy the WD-40, the penetrant fast acting one. So if those don't work, sure, I'm gonna return it. But yeah guys, so in total this cost me $50 some. So when you're doing your own job, sometimes you think that it's gonna help you saving money or whatever. Sometimes you end up spending a lot of money. So I did not expect this, but guess what, I'm gonna hold on to this. If y'all think I'm bullshitting, if y'all think I'm lying or something, look, what did that thing say? I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but this says 49 plus 9 something, so 52. Okay, 52.94. All right, let's go. Man, look what just happened to me. I got me a beer, right? And somebody called me. For some reason, I just dropped the beer. And look, it's a whole mess. Yeah? Oh, for a minute. Wait. Oh, could jack some to me there. What's it already? Alright guys, so now I'm gonna use the WD-40. Hopefully that works. I'll spray around it. See a lot of dirt, man. A lot of dirt. I have to vacuum this before I even try this one. But for now we're gonna try this, see how it works. And then we're gonna get back to it, man. Now I gotta clean that mess. Crazy. Alright guys, guess what? Okay. Guess what guys? I finally get one of them out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I finally get one of them out. I think it was really dusty, dirty. Okay. I get that sucker out. Now that one, I'm still playing with it to get it out. And I got the other one right here that I gotta get out too. But let me tell you this, guy. This thing right here is so damn expensive. This thing right here is so damn expensive, right? But it's really work. It doesn't work forward though, but it's really work. Trust me. It's really work. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get everything out. As you guys can see, it's getting dark. I'm gonna try to get everything out, man. So we finally took the bolts out. Like I was saying, guys, this right here is a bad boy. It's worth the money. It cost $39 for 6 of them, but it's worth the money. Without this and the WD-40, I wouldn't be able to get them dusty bolts out, man. Look at them. So now I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna pull this up. So before we pull this up, there's a tab here that's connected. Make sure you get it out first. think you can just push it up. Oh. I'm gonna get a 2/4. Should have something here. Should have something here to get it out. So let's see. I think I got a special tool for that. I hope not. No, more when you tell me faster. Alright guys, so this is the transmission mount, okay? So you got like 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't worry about the middle one. So we're gonna get it out. It's really dark right now. It's really dark right now. So we're gonna try to get it out like. Okay. Get this one out. Gonna go for the turn one. So the last one. So basically now what we have to do is, or actually alright guys, so I already put the new one in, so now we're gonna do the opposite by putting this one in, and then we should be good to go. So I already put the battery thing in. Okay, so now we're gonna put the battery. Always make sure the battery really sit in there. Put the battery in. We're gonna connect the battery, put the bracket, okay, and then we're gonna be good to go. And then once we're done with that one, there's a small one under there, which I'm gonna show you guys. That small one gonna go under the car, so I'll show you guys how to put it in later.